Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel for another episode of Easy Peasy. My name is Shazwani, this is Azira, and this is Fifi.
Hi! Well everyone, you guys must be wondering what we will be doing today, right? Well, we did a poll on Twitter on what time does people like to eat the most. And the result is breakfast.
I couldn't agree more. Eating breakfast has proved to have a long-term life benefits. Breakfast can reduce obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease and diabetes. Breakfast is also an excellent occasion to eat together as a family whenever possible. So breakfast really is the most important meal of the day.
So, today we'll be showing you on how to make an easy peasy big breakfast recipe with the help of our friends.
Hi!
I'm Islan.
I'm Intan,
Nakiba,
and Hani, and we are
the Easy Peasy!
Hi. So first things first, we are going to do the omelette.
Next, we are going to prepare the side dishes, which are toast and baked beans.
What's a big breakfast without sausages, right? So, all you need is cocktail sausages and also cooking oil. Moving on to the fun part. Let's make a tasty glass of orange juice.
Reduce obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease and
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel for another episode of Easy Peasy.
Next, we are going to prepare the side dishes, which are toasted brown.
To do the omelette.
Without sausages, right? So, all you need is cocktail sausages and cooking oil. We wouldn't want to choke on our
Today, breakfast.
I couldn't agree more. Eating breakfast has proved to have a lot of benefits. Breakfast can reduce obesity.
And we are
Easy Peasy!